In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Firebase. Whether you're setting up a new website or simply adding a personalized domain to your existing Firebase project, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth configuration process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and perform a search for Firebase. Once there, log into your Firebase account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, navigate to the Firebase console, which is your main control panel for interacting with various Firebase services. Within the console, you'll see a list of projects you've created. If it's a new project, make sure it's set up and available. Once you've selected the desired project, you'll be brought to its specific dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the Hosting option and click on it. The hosting page is where you'll manage the web hosting aspects of your project, including adding a custom domain. On this page, locate the Add Custom Domain button and click it. This action will initiate the process of connecting your custom domain to Firebase hosting. You'll be prompted to enter the custom domain name that you wish to connect. Carefully type in the domain name, ensuring no typographical errors, as this is crucial for successful integration. After entering your domain name, Firebase will generate specific DNS records for you. These are typically A records or CNAME records, which are necessary for properly linking your domain to Firebase hosting. With this information in hand, head over to the website of your domain registrar. Common registrars include GoDaddy and Namecheap, among others. Log into your account there and navigate to the DNS management or settings page for your domain. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to your domain's DNS records. Input the records provided by Firebase into the DNS management page of your registrar. Make sure each record is added correctly. Changes to DNS settings might not take effect immediately. Typically, it can take a few hours for the changes to propagate across the internet, but in some cases, it might take up to 24 hours. There you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a custom domain with Firebase. Now, you can ensure your brand gets the personalized touch it deserves. Don't forget to test your domain after the DNS changes have propagated to ensure everything is working as intended. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.